Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 1 of Learn German through English, that is Learn Doubts through English lesson series by ifectioner.com. In lesson number 1, we will learn how do we greet people and say goodbyes to them. Greetings is called Kuss, Kuss, Kuss in German. So let's start our lesson. Greetings. Kuss. Hello or hi. Hallo. 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 Hello or hi. Hallo. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Welcome. Willkommen. Willkommen. MEN is silent, so it's willkommen. Willkommen. Welcome. Willkommen. How are you? We get S dia. R is silent, so it's we get S dia. We get S dia. We get S dia. How are you? We get S dia. I am good. Ich bin gut. Ich bin gut. Ich bin gut. I am good. Ich bin gut. And how are you? Und we get S dia. Und we get S dia. Und we get S dia. And how are you? Und we get S dia. Bye is called or pronounced as tschüss. 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 Bye. Tschüss. How is the weather? Wie ist das Wetter? Wie ist das Wetter? Wie ist das Wetter? How is the weather? Wie ist das Wetter? How is your family? Wie geht's deine Familie? Wie geht's deine Familie? Wie geht's deiner Familie? Wie geht's deiner Familie? How is your family? Wie geht's deiner Familie? How are your kids? Wie geht es deinen Kindern? 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 How are your kids? Wie geht es deinen Kindern? All are fine. Alle sind in Ordnung. Alle sind in Ordnung. Alle sind in Ordnung. All are fine. Alle sind in Ordnung. Okay, I'm going. Okay, ich gehe. Okay, ich gehe. Okay, ich gehe. Okay, I'm going. Okay, ich gehe. Take care. Pass off. Pass off. Pass off. Take care. Pass off. Guys and girls, this time I will repeat the lesson only in German. So please listen to me carefully. Kuss. Hallo. Guten Morgen. Willkommen. Wie geht es dir? Ich bin gut. Und wie geht es dir? Tschüss. Wie ist das Wetter? Wie geht's deiner Familie? Wie geht es deinen Kindern? Alle sind in Ordnung. Okay, ich gehe. Pass auf. Guys and girls, this is the time for the exercise. This time I will speak in English and I will expect you to speak in German or Deutsch. Greetings. Kuss. Good. Hello or hi. Hallo. Good morning. Yes, guten Morgen. Welcome. Yes, willkommen. How are you? Very good. We get es dir. We get es dir. I am good. Nice. Ich bin gut. And how are you? Very good. Und wie geht es dir? Bye. Tschüss. How is the weather? Very nice. Wie ist das Wetter? How is your family? Nice. Wie geht's deiner Familie? How are your kids? Ja, wie geht es deinen Kindern? All are fine. Yes, alle sind in Ordnung. Okay, I'm going. Yes, okay, ich gehe. Take care. Yes, pass off. Guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for lesson number 1 of Learn Doubts Through English Lesson Series by ifactoner.com. Please visit ifactoner.com to do some more exercises. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, pass off, tschüss.